Hello guys, here is gold. We're on the weekly time frame right now. So this information is here. I analyzed this trade last night, but I feel like sharing with you guys. A price action trader. So here, if you look very well, here, let me use something to point it. That you get to this, you get to see it, right? So at this point, this place, it was a break of structure. Here we broke a structure here. This is on a weekly. Don't forget, on this weekly time frame, it takes a week for each candle to open and close. So here, when we broke this structure here, we came right up here. So this guy here, so many people thought it was going to go direct, and it came back down and then did all of this, somewhat like consolidation around here. That's like it's in a range right now according to the weekly, because the market is not moving upward, it is moving sideways. You know, when the market is not in an uptrend or a downtrend, the other option, that is the only option left, is for it to be in a range, which it is at the moment, right? So this guy is in a range at the moment. So on the daily time frame now, you can see clearly that it is in a range. So this is our new support here. This guy here is our new support. But if we are able to break here, so this is where we are coming to. But I'm not expecting that we should break this zone and then come back here. Alright, but it might happen because you can't detect from the market what it should do. So like you all know, this is our new resistance zone. This resistance zone, why did I not mark up here? Why did I choose to mark up here? There is no candle body above this point I marked. That's the reason for this. Alright, so there is no candle body that is closed above this line. That is why I marked here. Am I clear? Now we go over to the 4 hours time frame. Now with this 4 hours time frame, it gives us a clearer direction of the market. Alright, so you can see the weekly says range, daily says we are in a range, and the 4 hours time frame says we are also in a range. So what do you do at this point? And prior to this time, prior to this range, what we have been on is an uptrend. Let's see that. So you can see all the way from this guy, let's say since 2015 we have been in an uptrend, strictly an uptrend. Then at some point here in 2020, the market raised a bit and then went up again. It pushed back up after being in a range for some time. It pushed back up, so you can see it clearly. So you can see. So now, knowing that we are in an uptrend, What are we looking out for? We are looking for buying opportunities. Am I saying we cannot sell? That's not what I'm saying. But in order to get your A1 setup or A plus setup, you have to calm down for the market to come down to your zone, and then you take a buy from there. So if you are the type who does not have that patience, let's go over to the 1 hour time frame. Because on the 4 hours, it takes 4 hours for each candle to close. Now this is on the 1 hour time frame. Now on this 1 hour time frame, each candle here represented, it took it 1 hour for it to open and close. So this wire is on currently. In the next 17 minutes, it will complete its own 1 hour cycle and it will close. All right, so going over to the 30 minutes. Now you don't take your trade on the 4 hour time frame, especially if you have a small account. All right, so after using your weekly time frame to get the trend, that's the market structure, you come to the daily or 4 hours for the levels, and then you go to a lower time frame of your choice, be it 30 minutes, 1 hour, or even 15 minutes, to confirm your signal. That's your entry. All right, for example, if we're looking for a sell on this trade, you see on 4 hours time frame, we'll be looking to wait for this guy to arrive at this point. All right, and mind you, there's something you should note here. There's something you should also note here. You can see this guy here. If we decide to put this trend line, I'm using for this illustration now, we decide to place it, you are going to see that this guy is coming here to do what we call retracement. Can you see that? So meaning, you see, as this guy is coming down, it is creating lower highs and lower lows. So but that's not the overall trend of the market. All right, from be that the market is the market price is coming down. And one thing you should know about ranging market is it can decide to stop here and move back up here, retest this place before it drops. It can happen. You never can predict for a ranging market. That's why you say keep off from a ranging market. Trade only when the market is trending. All right, but be it that we need money, we can't just keep waiting. So there is no money making in the forex market without you taking a risk. So that is how it is. And on this 4 hour time frame, if you are to judge here, we are going to sell from this point and then set our take profits down here. For example, here is what I mean. All right, you can make it like this, or you stop it here. All right, so I don't like risking much. So here we risk 8 pips to make 168 pips. And guys, trust me, when I drop a signal like this, it works, right? It works like fire. But now let's not do this on this time frame. Let's go over to a lower time frame. Let's use the 30 minutes time frame this time around. Let's use the 30 minutes time frame. The 30 minutes time frame is saying the same thing that this guy has come here to retrace. So in case we are able to break above here, this trend line one I just dropped here, so it means that we might come to this point. That is it. And once we get to that point and you see reversal candle, then you take your entry and sell and you just hold your trade to this our major entry here. Again, that is how to get good pips. That is how to make good pips from the forex market. And this is gold, guys. Remember, gold is highly volatile, and you can't afford to trade anyhow when you are trading gold. So be warned and know that gold can easily take your account down, and it can easily make you as well. So that is it for now. This is a gold signal for you guys. It is either you take your entry, all right, it's either you take your entry from this zone coming down here, now listen. The purpose of setting a stop loss is not because you are expecting to lose money, but because if in case the market goes against you, you are saying this is the amount I'm willing to risk on this particular trade, right? So that's just it. And you can take this trade. It will give you good amount of money. So see you guys. And if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly click on the subscribe button right now, so that when we drop signals like this or any of the content related to this, you'll be among the first to be notified. See you guys. When we have more subscribers, we'll be going live here our analysis. So see you guys in our next video. My name is Raymond. Have a great week ahead. Thank you.